Hi Year 3, we're going to have a look at the maths for today. So I'm going to share my screen. So today we're going to be multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers with exchanging. So you're going to be using mathematical equipment and pictorial representations to support the understanding of multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit with exchanging. And then you're going to be able to explain your reasoning while doing so as well. So if we have a quick look at the starter, we've got 4 different pictures, pictorial representations of some numbers. Have a quick look. Which one doesn't belong? The straws, we've got bunches of 2 10s and 1 1. The Deans, we've got 2 10s and 3 1s. The Numericon, we've got 2 10s and 1 1. And the counters, we've got 2 10s and 1 1. So the odd one out is the base 10 or the Deans, because that represents 2 lots of 23, whereas the others represent 2 lots of 21. So we're going to use a place value chart and base 10 or Deans to help us complete the calculation below. So we've got 15 times 3. If we pop the Deans down there, we can see we've got 3 lots of 15. It's a bit like an array, isn't it? So we always start with the ones. So for the ones, we're going to do 5 times 3. We're going down the column for the column multiplication. So 5 times 3 is 15. You could also count the ones, the Deans that are in the ones column to help you if you couldn't quite remember what 5 times 3 was. So 5 times 3 is 15. But we can't write 2 numbers in one column. So we're going to put the 5 in the ones column and we're going to put the 1 underneath and we're going to add that on once we've multiplied the 10s. Then we've got 10 times 3 or 1 times 3, which is 3, but we need to add that 1 on from underneath, so it's going to be 4. So our answer is 45. Now if you wanted to check, you could count up the 10s. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And that's how you can check your answer. Super, let's do another one. So this time we've got 24 times 3. So we've got our Deans there, 3 lots of 24. We're going to start off in the ones column. We've got 4 times 3, which is 12. We're going to put the 2 in the answer section and the 1 underneath in the tens column that we're going to add on in a moment. So then we're moving on to the tens. We've got 2 times 3, which is 6, but then we've got the 1 underneath that we must remember to add on. That's going to give us 7. Again, if you wanted to check once you've worked it out, you can count the Deans in the place value chart to check. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. We can check it that way. You could always draw out the Deans, couldn't you? On a piece of paper, or if you've got a whiteboard or something, you can use that to help you. Another one, we've got 23 times 4. So here is the Deans with 4 lots of 23. We're going to start off in the ones column for the column multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. So we write the 2 in the ones column for the answer and we put the 1 underneath the tens column to add on once we've done the tens column multiplication. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is 92. But let's count to check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Super, so that's all done. I'm going to leave you to carry on with the rest now that look like this, just like we would do in class. So good luck, boys and girls.